Hi, Peeps Gang. So right now, I bought a dog. It's a pug for my family. And my family doesn't know, except for my sister that's holding the camera. She's not going to show her face because she doesn't know. Yeah, I bought a pug. And this pug, I bought it from the animal shelter yesterday. This little baby was $400, $600. And then we got a pit bull. He's over there. With Trey. Trey already knows we bought the dog because I showed him. But I was with my grandma yesterday and we bought this. Trey was with us. She was with us. And Caleb was, but the other ones weren't. So, we're gonna go surprise other people with the baby dog. So we're gonna go get the first look on my sister. Chloe, come here, baby. Come here. She's like a little doge. She's like kind of new to this place. Huh. Guys, this would be a good time lapse. So I'll see you guys in a sec. See what you said. Oh shit. Oh, Lucky. Really? Hey, baby. Lucky. Oh, you know what he said in the time lapse video? Say it again, Trey. What did you say in the time lapse video? Oh, he said Lucky wants to smell that ass. Did you know that? Stop it. Stop it, Lucky. Lucky! Baby. Oh, shit. He grabbed that shit. 24/7. Stop it. What?
You're my sketcher. Let's go.
You're my sketcher. What the fuck? You're my sketcher. Baby, come your ass out. Calm it, bitch. Calm it. Yeah. Hey, baby. Hey. Oh, shit. Hey. Hey. Yeah, they're brother and sister, so I don't know why he's going haywire. Oh, yeah. Guys, I'm trying to get the basketball for the baby. Come here. Oh, Chloe. Look at the little pug. Do you like it? It's our baby now. I bought it. You weren't with us when I bought it with Grandma yesterday. Do you like the pug? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you do? Oh, bro. I bought a new pug. You want to see it? Come here. I bought a pug. I bought it with Grandma yesterday. See? Over there. This is awkward. Oh, yeah. We're going to go show him that little house. Baby, stop. Oh, shit! What the fuck?
Adrian!
No! What the fuck, bro?
You're fucking stupid.
You're fucking dumb, bitch! What the fuck?
I didn't know you were gonna try to do that.
Fuck off! Bubbles! Guys, I am not censoring that part out because that's too long of a censoring. Really? Where? Oh, she's pregnant too. Remember when we got her from the animal shelter? They said she was pregnant. That's bad for her babies. You shit. Here, read the camera then again. Guys, that was fucked up. This what do you want to do?
I honestly didn't know that my dog would do that.
Let's go see what she's doing. Let's go see.
I thought because Lucky would never Lucky. He would just like sniff her. Today he just like attacked her, right?
Yes.
Because Lord Squaw wasn't doing over there.
Oh, you.
Trying to get her. He was trying to do that the other day.
For real?
All the dogs that were back here, they were barking because they're the sheep out here. That's what that little other brown little chihuahua barks and barks and barks because she's in heat.
It's what they
That's when they have babies.
Yeah, exactly.
Because that one was over there.
No, it was in the backyard.
Yeah, it was in the backyard. Lucky got all pissed off and shit.
Aiden let him off the chain.
Because he would sniff her sometimes.
Yes, she did.
We think she's
One
pregnant.
day she came over here and she started playing with Lucky.
Yeah, they were fine like the other day. Go now they're like fucked
This
up.
dog.
Oh shit.
The yellow house was a beautiful day. Chicken boat.
She's still recording. What the hell? I thought that said KFC.
He wants to go inside.
Yeah, that's what she
Hey, why'd you let her attack you? Why'd you let him attack you? Why did you let him?
No, because Lucky would always like play with her and then today you better not quit.
She is.
It's showing your neck. That's all. On God. He hates to be on camera. Let's go check on that. Let's go check on Lucky.
Yeah, go whoop his butt.
Where the fuck did he go?
Right there.
You don't see it? No jumping. No jumping. What is that about, baby?
He
What-
loves to be on camera.
He does. He's like a new hip hop star. Are you serious? Our doggy's mad of.
You're gonna take again.
Alright, close the door.
Okay, stop. Oh, Lucky. No, she wants to get in the back. Oh, Lucky.
Guys, that's the end of the video. I got something to do. We are about to spend $100 at Walmart or more than $100.
Nah, and then we're gonna do casino
And then we're gonna go to a party. And then
at our friend's dorm.
Thank you for watching today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow.